ready to transform your AI interactions from good to uniquely you. Let's dive into creating dynamic values within Retell AI, your key to a highly customized and efficient system. First, log into your Retell AI account and navigate to your project, then select the Flows tab. Next, choose the specific flow where you want to implement a dynamic value or create a new one. Think of these flows as the conversational pathways for your AI. We're about to add personalized routes. Within your chosen flow, you'll typically find different nodes. These nodes represent points in the conversation, like greetings or information gathering. To introduce a dynamic value, select a node where you want to introduce change. Inside the selected node, locate the section where the text or information is displayed. This is usually where you will make change within the conversation. This is where you will introduce your dynamic value. Now, this is where the magic happens. Instead of hard-coding specific text, use placeholders or variables. Replace hard-coded text with variable names that relate to the information you want to be dynamic. You can get the dynamic information from the user inputs from APIS or from your database. For example, instead of hello, user, you could greet the user with hello, user_name, where user_name is a placeholder. The beauty of this, Retell AI will populate these variables in real-time. Test your flow. Try interacting with your project in the testing panel or deployment option. Test different inputs to see how your dynamic variables change the responses. With dynamic values, you can build a truly personalized, more efficient, and uniquely UI experience. Go forth and customize. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on AI customization.